first of all, if we start from the beginning, that we should reduce food waste, and the Commission is requiring that the member states are reducing food waste. But we also need to find ways to understand how we can reduce food waste and how we can actually make sure that we are having total better performance, how we are reducing food waste. So we are actually reducing also the environmental impacts and improving the overall socio-economic situation when we are reducing food waste. Our aim is to consider the rebound effects, for instance. So when we are reducing food waste, so we are also considering the environmental impact of the reduction strategies and the socio-economic impact of the reduction strategies, so that the total outcome would be positive. And we are also making sure that we are integrating this knowledge to policy making and legislation. So this is also in the core of the project.
The project is very ambitious because it aims to be a turnkey solution for some gaps, data gaps in food waste, which is of course a priority of the Commission. The consortium is really strong and committed, and I think it's a very, very also nice working environment, so I'm pretty sure that it will be a successful project, and also there is a lot of cooperative spirit, so I think it's going to be a successful project, hopefully.
Now I have for the second year, I mean, it's quite a new thing to have food waste statistics on the European level. The problem with these statistics is that it's aggregated on so many levels, so it's very difficult to read out what is, so to say, what is a good data collection and what is reliable data and what is data that is more or less estimated, because it's all mixed. So therefore we will try to dig deeper into where data comes from, how it's collected, how much data is actually behind the numbers.
In view of attempting to achieve the objectives to cut food waste by 2030, the idea is that we now know the objectives, we know the targets, we know some measures that we can apply to reduce food waste. Now what we need to know is what will be the impact of this reduction. And so WASTEWISE is exactly tackling this challenge, so attempting to measure what will be the environmental impact of this reduction of food waste whenever it is achieved, and also estimating what are the external effects, let's say, that reducing food waste can deliver also on other chains, for example.
I think that the WASTEWISE project can really contribute to fight against food waste, because it's actually linking all the food waste policies and normatives that are being developed and implemented in different regions in Europe, and also with the ones related to energy and climate change and greenhouse gas emissions. So it can actually include food waste as food waste prevention actually as an important action to prevent climate change, for instance.